Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, can you tell us your name, sir?
My name is Pastor Nwachuku James Ubekile.
And you are from where, sir?
I'm from Igbanke in Edo State at this juncture.
Okay, sir. Who are Igbanke people?
Okay, we in Igbanke, we are Igbo people. So, but we are in Edo State for now.
There's a question where people say that there is no Igbo people. When you say Igbo, that is IGBO, right? There is no Igbo people in Edo State. Is that true?
That is fallacious. In Edo State, there are many Igbo speaking people in Edo State. You have Igbanke. Igbanke have 6 autonomous kingdoms. You have Ekmo is there. You have Iru. There are so many of them. There are so many Igbo speaking part of people in Edo State. So many villages.
Just tell us. We want to know how many.
I mentioned some of them. Ekmo is there. Okay. Iru is there.
Okay.
And there's one they call Owa again. Ogada is there. Owa is there. So there are so many of them that I cannot even remember now.
Wow. So I will hear that Igbanke people truly want to leave Edo State and join Anioma State proposed. What is the reason, sir?
The reason is that we don't belong to Edo State. As the name implies, if you judge the state by its name, Edo means Bini people. So that state is just like a tribal state. It is a state with a tribal mark. That is why we, the non-Bini people, are being marginalized. In Edo State, we are very, very marginalized. For example, now for the past 1 year, there's no light in Igbanke, no electricity. And if you go, there's a primary school in a place called Owayake in IkA, in Igbanke. You have only one teacher in a whole primary school. Only one female teacher. And that teacher should be either as a youth corper. Only one. In a whole school. So you can imagine the level of abandonment.
So now that you're in Edo State, are you saying there's no political offices for people from your side that can, like a councillor that are having this opportunity to bring governance to your people? Is that what you're saying? Because you use the word marginalization.
I don't think I know of any now. I can tell you that we don't have any person in the House of Assembly from Igbanke. We don't have any local government chairman from Igbanke. For now, I don't think there's any.
Wow, this is interesting. But as of today, the news we are hearing is that some of the Delta people, the Delta North politicians, are against the Anioma State. What do you think about that, sir?
The point is that I want to believe that the number of people that are against the Anioma State from Delta State are very, very few. From my understanding, I believe that 90% of people from Delta North believe in Anioma State. Believe in Anioma State. That you can't judge a people by the few politicians. How many politicians do we have? Maybe House of Assembly, how many of them? You can't judge them. If you go to the grassroots, you are going to see that 90% of people in Delta North want Anioma State to be created. So we should not judge the people's opinion based on what the politicians are doing. You know that politicians are very selfish. So you can't judge the people's opinion based on the opinion of the politicians.
Okay, so you mean that if we go to Igbanke now, for example, we'll have more people in the grassroots who are supporting Anioma State?
I want to tell you something. Igbanke case is very peculiar because our kings are all with us. So when the kings want to leave Edo State, so the subject we all of us are working in tandem. So all of us are on the same page. Okay. So if you go and do what do I call it? A referendum in Igbanke, we are going to see that we are going to have 100% as it is now. Based on the suffering, the marginalization, the lack of government presence in Igbanke. If you do a referendum now, you are going to get 100%. Let me not just say let me not exaggerate, because the people we are tired of those things. That's why I see that in so many media, Igbanke people we are fighting against our continuous stay in Edo State. You can hear our voice in so many media. So we are really fighting to come out of Edo State, and that's why we are praying that Anioma should be created.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. It's our pleasure. We hope that Anioma State will be created, and we believe it will be created. Thank you very much, sir, for coming to our show. Thank you. Yeah.